All right, we have finally reached it. We are at myth number 8 of 8. This myth is investing in stocks is safer or better than investing in real estate. Now this does depend on your definition of safer or better. The main 2 points I want to talk about with you guys today is this definition of safer or better, or how much risk is involved with investing in real estate versus stocks. And then the second point is how much cash are you actually putting in your pocket when you compare the two investments, stocks versus real estate. All right, on point number 1, how much risk is really involved with stocks versus real estate, and what for the normal person, normal investor, what is going to be safer or better. As you've seen over this past year, the stock market has achieved some historic highs and also some very quick lows. It's been pretty volatile with everything that is going on in the world. I would say this is fairly risky, and if you are impatient, you could get caught, and possibly lose some money. If you are patient over the long term, I do think there is a portion in your portfolio that you should allocate to stocks. But as far as the safety or riskiness in real estate, I would say that you have much more control over a real estate asset that you own, either if it's by yourself or with other partners. And the reason for this is you directly control the management of the property, whereas stocks, it's based on investor sentiment and what other people think the value of a company is. That's why it has such strong fluctuations in value, and it's very liquid. You can get in and get out. The real estate investments are pretty much illiquid, so there's not as much volatility, and you control either you're doing the managing of the property yourself or you're hiring someone. So if it's not working out the way you think it should, then you can replace the management or leasing and make your adjustments and get start receiving the returns you should be receiving. So on that point, I would say that real estate has a much better risk mitigated return profile than stocks, just because you have more control over it. And if you're talking with other investors, talking with me on different investments, you can basically take care of that risk and invest confidently that the real estate is going to perform up to expectations. Now, point number 2, how much cash is actually going in your pocket? The government wants you to be a real estate investor. How are they telling you this? Well, they're telling you through the tax code. They are letting you write off a portion of the value of your building that you're invested in. This is called depreciation over a certain time horizon. So this shelters the amount of tax that you have to pay on the income that is produced by the property. There's that, then also interest on your bank loan, more than likely, that helps you shield from paying some taxes as well. So it depends on how long you hold the property, but you will pay a lot less taxes comparatively speaking. And I'm not a tax professional, so please consult your CPA for your specific situation, but generally speaking, you are going to put a lot more cash in your pocket when you compare real estate returns to stock market returns. And this would be if you're comparing apples to apples of, say, you get 8% in stocks versus 8% cash on cash return with real estate. A lot more is going in your pocket when you're looking at the real estate. So there you have it. The 2 main things I would say for this myth that you need to look at: how much risk are you taking on when you're investing in real estate, and how much control do you have over this risk? Real estate, you have direct control, and you can right any wrongs and get your investment back on track. There is more risk there, but like I said, you can mitigate this by talking with me, talking with other investors, and educating yourself. The last point is, how much cash are you actually putting in your pocket? Real estate is the winner here, due to the tax code and other expenses that you can use to shield the income of your investment property. So thank you everyone so much for watching these 8 real estate myth videos. I've enjoyed making them, and have a great day.